first we are going to go make sure that we have our active geometry set correctly. So we're going to be doing Lee Street. So I'm going to go to horizontal, come down here and select Lee, apply, close. I now want to move a PI on my vertical. So I am going to left click the nearest PI, and you can see now I can edit it. I'm going to snap to the end of this magenta line that I've created, left click to accept, and then left click to accept overall solution as it says in the bottom left. Now I can move another one. So I'm going to left click out here and I have a second PI, left click to snap, identify the point as a left click, and left click to accept the overall solution. My last PI is this one over here. I'm going to left click and bring it in, snap, left click, identify the point, left click, accept overall solution. Now I am going to go to vertical elements and I can add a fixed line. This is going to be by 2 points, apply. I only want this Lee Street to have profiles where the magenta is. I do not want it to cut a profile or have a template where these open spaces are, because there will be streets from the boulevard coming through there. So I am going to snap to the end of this line, identify the first point, left clicking, identify the second point, snap to this line, left click to accept, left click to accept overall. Now again, I don't want a profile here, so I'm going to right click, then I'm going to snap to the end, left click accept, snap to the end, left click accept, and then right click for a continuous profile. So I don't want to identify another point, so I'm going to right click and that will get me out of this command. Close, and I now have the profile that I wanted for Lee Street. So again, I'm going to go back to my geometry, view geometry, vertical annotation, and since Lee is my active geometry, it'll take me right there. I could select a different horizontal, which would take me again to a different profile. Under preferences, I want to do proposed vertical with high and low points annotated. So load that, close, apply, and it comes in and annotates the profile that I just modified.